Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce you Daytona Grip heaters. So these grip heaters are really easy to use. So these are wrap type grip heaters. So you just wrap these around your existing grip with strings. So they're really easy to use. You can just install them when you need them, or you can just remove them when you don't need them. So these are really great grip heaters for autumn and the winter season. Really nice, easy to use. These are for 12-volt battery motorcycles, but the power consumption is really low. It's around 11 watts. So you can use them safely on your motorcycle. And in the box you can find two pads for left and right side. There are two pads included in the package. And also in the package you can find the on-off switch and the cables for installation and the strings, connectors and zip ties. These are all included in the package. The width of the pads are around 105 millimeters, so you can install them on your 120 and 125 millimeter handle grips. Also, this can be installed on any grip size, so even if your handlebar is 1 inch or 22.2 millimeter handlebar, so you can install these on your grip. So here on this Honda Dax we have these grip heaters installed. Let's go check on this bike together. As you can see on the left side, it's installed very secure and safe. This is really nice and tight, no problem, and they are really warm. And on the right side, throttle side, as you can see, it's also secure and it can move freely, as you can see. And when you install these grip heaters on your motorcycle, make sure this cable is not pulling, so you have enough space play here for easy throttle operation. And we decided to install the switch, on-off switch right here, so you can easily access from here. As you can see, it looks very clean and nice. You can just install them when you need them. It looks great on this Honda Dax. So that's all for today's grip heater introduction. Thanks for watching.